Hi guys, it's me, it's Stacy Cobb from Stacy Cobb Art, and today I want to talk about magnets. I'm a little bit inspired today by my friend to the north, whom I very much enjoy their channel, NerdEcrafter, also known as Saltiest. So I'm going to be a little salty about this. As some of you know, I like to play with polymer clay, and I have here some magnets that I made. Well, anyway, these are made out of ultralight. They're really light. There's not a whole lot of weight here to them. These are the ultralight is the base of this, and then I cut very thin slices. Here, I'll bring this up where you can see it. And then there's very thin slices of Sculpey III polymer cane, which is sliced, and then I smush it into the ultralight. Basically, I roll it into it. Then I cut out the shape that I want. This one just happens to be a, let me see if I can find a piece of paper with some color to it. I'll use this so you can see the shape here. So I've got a flower here. Anyway, I have a flower shape, a star, a heart, and another star. These are made out of scrap clay mixed with some ultralight. These two do not have magnets on them. These two do, and we'll talk about that later. So what happened was, initially I bought magnet in a roll because I thought, wow, I could get a lot of magnets out of this. And it seemed to work, and it's got this stuff you just peel off the back. Anyway, you're supposed to be able to peel this paper off. That's another one of my issues, is that it was hard to peel that off. And it seems fairly tacky, you know, but look, see how tacky it isn't? A little bit of pull and it pulls right off. So there's not much tack to this. Also, there's not a whole lot of magnetic power to this magnet strip. In my opinion, this is very much useless. If you're going to use magnets, buy some of these little flexible magnets. They come in a variety of sizes. These are 3/4 inch, which is the same as this. This came out of this package, in fact. And you just pull them apart. They work great. And here I have a 1/2 inch. I think it's a 1/2 inch. Yeah. And so this is 3/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and I've got a 3/4 inch. So I tried them out. These magnets weigh about the same, and actually the 1/2 inch worked really well. The 3/4 inch will actually work much better, particularly if your magnet is a little bit heavier, like say if it's made out of solid Sculpey III, which is much heavier than the ultralight. So anyway, that's my review on magnets. Cash or trash? That's a direct quote from our good friend to the north, NerdEcrafter, aka Saltiest. She would be very salty here and say, in the trash. So it's going in the trash. This stuff, totally worth your money. I suggest buying it. Thanks for watching. I post new videos every Friday. If you like this, give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate it. And leave me a comment. If you've had this same experience, perhaps we can get them to take that other not so great magnet strip off the market. I don't know who buys it, but it's worthless. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.